Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at RIP version 2, our Routing Information Protocol version 2. In particular, within RIP version 2 we're going to be taking a look at troubleshooting RIP version 2. So we're going to break down RIP version 2 and show you how to properly troubleshoot RIP version 2. And in this lab we have three routers, router 1, 2, and 3. We have a loopback 0 interface on router 1, which is 1.1.1.0/24, and also on R3 we have a loopback 0 as well. On R3, that loopback 0 has the IP address of 3.3.3.0/24. And we also have networks in between router 1 and router 2, and router 2 and router 3. So we have the 23 network between router 2 and 3, and we have the 12 network in between router 1 and router 2. And as we can see by the red dotted lines, or the red dash lines here, that is our RIP version 2 domain. So all of these networks located within this is going to be advertised into our RIP version 2 domain. So all of these networks are in the RIP version 2 domain. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our scenario, which says that host IP 1.1.1.1 off loopback 0 on R1 cannot ping IP 3.3.3.3 off loopback 0 on R3. Then it says configure the network so that 1.1.1.1 can ping 3.3.3.3 and network connectivity is restored. So again, on R1 we have a host which we are using a loopback interface to represent. So 1.1.1.1 on R1 cannot ping R3's loopback 0, which is 3.3.3.3. So our goal here is to troubleshoot RIP version 2 and find out what is going on within RIP version 2, which is not allowing these routes to propagate through the RIP version 2 domain and restore connectivity. So the size of your RIP version 2 domain really doesn't matter. I know that there's some vendors and there are some labs that have extensive, very intimidating lab setups, and my thought process is if you can just learn the fundamentals and troubleshoot on a couple of routers and learn the basics, then it doesn't really matter the size of your network. You will be able to take those